Getting started with machine learning in PHP. Introduction. Machine learning has gained significant popularity in recent years, and PHP, a versatile programming language, can also be utilized for developing machine learning applications. In this article, we will explore how to use PHP for machine learning, discuss some useful tools, and provide reference materials to enhance your understanding. PHP libraries for machine learning offers several libraries and packages that facilitate machine learning tasks. Here are some popular PHP libraries commonly used in machine learning projects. A. PHPML. PHPML is a robust machine learning library that provides various algorithms, including regression, classification, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. It offers easy integration with other PHP frameworks and supports feature selection and evaluation metrics. B. FANN Fast Artificial Neural Network Library. FANN is a PHP extension that allows you to create, train, and use artificial neural networks. It provides a simple and efficient API for building neural networks, making it suitable for tasks like pattern recognition and prediction. Additional tools and frameworks, besides the aforementioned libraries. You can leverage other tools and frameworks to enhance your machine learning capabilities in PHP. A. TensorFlow PHP. TensorFlow, a popular machine learning framework, provides a PHP API that enables you to utilize TensorFlow models and perform computations. B. PHPPMML. PHPPMML is a library for working with predictive model markup language PMML files in PHP. PMML is an XML-based standard for representing machine learning models, allowing you to interchange models between different platforms. Reference materials. If you're interested in diving deeper into machine learning with PHP, here are some valuable resources. A. PHPML documentation. The official documentation of the PHPML library offers comprehensive guides, examples, and API references to help you get started and explore various machine learning algorithms. B. PHPML GitHub repository. The GitHub repository of PHPML contains source code, issue tracking, and community discussions. It's a great place to explore additional examples and contribute to the project. C. TensorFlow PHP documentation. The TensorFlow PHP documentation provides guidance on using TensorFlow models and APIs in PHP for machine learning tasks. Conclusion. With the availability of machine learning libraries and tools in PHP, developers can leverage their existing PHP skills to build machine learning applications. By exploring libraries like PHPML, FANN, and additional tools like TensorFlow PHP and PHPPMML, you can unlock the potential of machine learning in PHP. Referencing the official documentation and actively participating in the respective communities will further enhance your knowledge and proficiency in utilizing PHP for machine learning tasks.